हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द बिग बास्केट यूट्यूब चैनल। हर बार हम आपके लिए वेल केप्ट और परफेक्टली क्लीन किचन लेके आते हैं, बट लेट मी शो यू द रियलिस्टिक एंड अगली साइड ऑफ दीज वीडियोस बिकॉज टुडेज वीडियो इज फुल ऑफ ट्विस्ट।
अरे लेकिन हर बार में जाने से पहले कुछ तैयारी करनी होती है। सो लेट्स गियर अप फॉर आवर क्लीनिंग बोर्ड। I had some guest over breakfast और किचन की हालत हो गई है अभी ये। मेरे पास सिर्फ 10 मिनट है ये सब वाइंड अप करने के, बिकॉज आई नीड टू स्टार्ट कुकिंग क्योंकि बच्चे आने वाले हैं। सो टू बिगिन विद, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्लीनिंग ऑफ दिस काउंटर टॉप। Now that everything from the countertop is off, let me get on to cleaning. किचन को क्लीन रखने के लिए क्लीनिंग टूल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यूजिंग द राइट क्लीनिंग टूल्स आर एक्चुअली की टू अ क्लीन किचन। बहुत सारे फूड पार्टिकल्स चिपके हुए हैं, तो पहले मैं ये क्लीन कर लेती हूँ बिफोर आई गो डाउन टू वॉशिंग। These gloves are really a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning utensils. अब एक बार हम थोड़ा सा सिंक के सारी डेब्रीज और गंद को क्लीन कर लेते हैं, because we'll be washing the utensils soon. Now before I go into cleaning the utensils, I'll try to make it a point to clean the sink first. Now moving on to the second level of cleaning, यानी कि अब हम सारे बर्तन साफ करेंगे। Now basically I'm going to keep all the clean utensils here. So मुझे ये वाला एरिया अच्छे से साफ करना पड़ेगा। इस एरिया को मुझे थोड़ा सिक्योर करना पड़ेगा, and I need to make sure that the water is not seeping through. So there is an excellent tool for that. This is a water absorbent mat, और ये मेक श्योर करता है कि पानी इधर या उधर ना फैले आपकी काउंटर टॉप पे। बट वी ऑल्सो नीड टू सिक्योर द यूटेंसिल्स, सो उसके लिए मैं यूज करूंगी एक स्टील यूटेंसिल बास्केट। अब जैसे जैसे मैं बर्तन क्लीन करती जाऊंगी, आई एम गोना कीप देम इन द बास्केट एंड द वाटर विल बी अब्सॉर्ब बाय दिस मैट। सी इट हाउ। When we clean the utensils, make sure you go through the nooks and corners of the utensils. Of course, I'm not gonna clean all of them together. अब जितने मैंने already clean कर दिए हैं, मैं उनको बास्केट में डालती जाऊंगी। There is a separate section for the spoons, so I'll put them here so that they don't get lost. For some, wearing gloves might be a little uncomfortable, but trust me, they just keep your hands so safe. Some cleaning tool might look small, but they are the best in use for kitchen, like this toothbrush. Now that our utensils are clean, let's focus on cleaning the sink area. There is one very powerful way to clean the entire sink area and keep the smell away. A vinegar and some baking soda. All you have to do is just sprinkle some baking soda. Next, we'll open the vinegar. This concoction will not only make the sink clean, but it will bring a very beautiful shine back onto your stainless steel sinks. Now that our sink is sparkling clean, let's wipe it off. So this side of the cleaning is done. Now let's move on to this side, which is our countertop and backsplash. So first thing first, start by wiping everything down. Now that most of the wiping is done, let me now spot clean everything else. You can use a store-bought solution like this, or you can even use the same baking soda vinegar for making your own DIY spray. Don't forget the back side of your gas stove. Cleaning to me is just so therapeutic. So guys, whenever you feel not so motivated towards cleaning, my suggestion is set a timer of 10 minutes and see the magic happening. Scrubbing is done. Next is wiping it clean. The best thing you can do to yourself is not putting too much stuff on your countertop. Keep it as clean as possible. Now that we are wiping everything clean, make sure that you wipe down your appliances too. So I've mentioned toothbrush is your best friend while cleaning the kitchen. This time we'll deep clean the stove top. Now that our countertop is clean, don't forget to wipe clean your appliances too. Now that our countertop is spick and span, let's move on to clearing this area. All our utensils are well air dry, but I will still quickly wipe them down with a wiping cloth, a soft microfiber wiping cloth, and put them back at their place. Try to give your kitchen tools a dedicated space as it makes it easier while cooking. See, as I told you, your countertop will be absolutely dry. This is how important this tool is. Now we'll just sun dry it and it will be good to go. The last and important element of a clean kitchen is having a clean and dry kitchen towel. I use these microfiber kitchen towels as they help me keep my hands clean and dry every single time. So guys, this is our final outcome after 10 minutes of extensive labor. Result is just so satisfactory. Every area is clean and tidy, and I am absolutely loving this effort.
That was fun. This kind of video was a first time for me too. Do let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching and if you like more of such kind of videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the BigBasket YouTube channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. By the way, are you ready for the cleaning battle too?